So I came up with this mock-up in Figma for some cards, just to get an idea of what I can do. And let me see, where's my React on that? Localhost 3K. Localhost 3K. This is what we got so far. So my idea was just to have the cards, of course, just go in the middle of the page. So I had this one. So this is another idea. So the cards would go in the middle of the page like this, something like this. So I had wanted like maybe little buttons here that can filter out the ingredients maybe. Or that'd be too much. Maybe I'll just have like I don't know, a search box where you can filter out the ingredients by just typing it out or something. But I'm still really trying to figure out what I want the app to even do. I think it's gonna be more so just a review of different sushi rolls and rating of different sushi rolls. So along with this heart right here, you can favorite, maybe have like a rating. So I have like stars down here. I could probably do that now. Let me see. So what do I do? I have no idea how to use Figma. I'm kind of just winging it. Like it's something that I really want to learn how to do in the future. So I will do. Let's see. We'll do this. And the color, of course, something like that. Import that, and it should. Oh, there it is, right there. So I imported it there. There we go. So I can copy that. No, why don't you? Maybe if I do something like this. That still didn't work. Okay. I told you I don't know anything about Figma. What if I put it on the outside over here? Of course, like that. That. And there's another one right next to it. Like, what is going on? Why doesn't this work like I need it to? Come on, Figma. Maybe it's because of these frames. Okay, let's try paste here. Okay, maybe this works, I believe now. Yep, there we go. We would do 4 stars? Yeah, let's do 4 stars. That's cool like that. 4 stars. I think, yeah, we'll give these like this so maybe we can fill this in. Like that. That is weird. It just really shows how much I know about Figma, but I promise I will get better. Actually, I'll just leave that one there. This one here, copy that, and that way we have a decent rating of this sushi roll. And of course, this is all just mock up. Why did it do that? Has something to do over here, maybe? No, let's go here, and then like that, maybe. Here, Shift A. Now we got that in there, so maybe there we go. And we will make this smaller, not smaller. Trying to make more room for it. Just make, there we go. I can just make that bigger. Okay. So that is like that. That's fine. And I just copy this over. This down. Please do not judge my Figma skills right now, because you have to suck before you become good. And I'm not afraid of sucking right now. let's move that there. Try to move it over there. There we go. Then one more time. And move that over there. That's pretty much how we would look. Pause this real quick. Okay, where was I? So I have these are my car components that I just came up with. I'm gonna go ahead and implement these in my IDE. So where I'm gonna start at, I think I'll just start with the. This is gonna be hard, dude. I don't even know how to do this part. That's gonna be difficult for me. And well, not so much as the UI. It's just implementing like how it's gonna actually work. That's kind of scary for me. Okay, but I'm gonna first come up with a hard-coded version of this. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do first, hard-coded version. So I'm gonna do a new JavaScript file, and this is going to be sushi card. Sushi card. Function sushi card. Going to export default and sushi card. What else do I need on here? Oh, I need the return div, and we should just test it out. H1. And not that. Oh, I already have an app here. Forgot I had a whole app already. Sushi card, and we're gonna put the sushi card into here. Of course, you gotta import all that stuff, but ID does it by itself. But I do this just for import. Forget what I was doing. Import. I'll let the ID do it. So here needs to be sushi card. What is going on? Sushi card. And ID said import sushi card from sushi card, and we should get hello world there. Cool. All right, so now I can start implementing this card. Like I said, I'm just gonna hard code the data in the beginning. Div, and I'm gonna get another div. I shouldn't do that. Do another. Well, I could do it. I'll just leave that there. But this div is gonna act as my card, so I'm going to give that ID of my card, and then import. I want to import my CSS so I can have my card there. Go here and hashtag my card. And this should work. What's going on here? Error app no CSS. Oh, did you mean yes? I meant that. So we gotta do /. There you go. And my card, just the background color, whatever. With, we'll do, is it 500 pixels, height, let's say 375 pixels. I think that's good enough. What is this? 5 by 375. That's what that was, so. It just seems weird. The height just seems off. 375 by 500. That seems better. Like, why is this going? That's weird. Anyway, I'd rather have it like this. So I want to fix this right here, the sides. Also, Let's have some margin going on. 0 and then auto. So what we will do is make sure this is flex, display flex. I also want my margin borders. I think that's what we call it, or border margins, border radius. I want those to be about 18 pixels. That looks good enough, I believe. 28. I don't know. What's the difference between those two, though, really? It's like super hardcore. We'll just keep that. We got that, and I actually want the background color to be like an off-white. Let's see. Go with that, I guess. That works, I believe. What else? Also want some type of border. Border, 1 pixel, get solid. This would be like an orange color. Orange is red. Or maybe not. Maybe go with shadow. Anyway, let's not go too much in detail with that. Do it later. First, I just want to get this up and going. So we need a picture there. So where did I get? I don't even know where I got those sushi pictures from. Maybe I just copy it. Let's see if I copy, or save. Yeah, copy paste maybe. That did not work. Paste. Okay, where did I get those sushi images from? Alright, looks like list of sushi. List of sushi rolls. There's 80 something. There we go, 86 different types. And which roll was that? Dynamite roll. That's like a good one. Fire roll. I like a good one. Let's go with the fire roll. So I'm just gonna pull this over there. So right now I just want some hard-coded information. The sushi card, React component. And let's go back to here. Here is at the bottom right there, sushi name. So, card. This right here should be the image. So we'll put the image here. Image. Why don't you get an image's own div? Image. And we're gonna import the image just like we did last time. Import what we call this, sushi pic, sushi ing from slash, it's gonna be, what is that, fire roll. Wow, I should have named it that. From fire. What is going on here? Import. Something's weird is going on. I'm just gonna go ahead and rename this anyway. Rename fire roll. Nobody's seen that. Import sushi ing from slash fire roll. Okay. Why isn't that working like I need it to? Did I do that wrong? What logo from? Like, that works the way I need it to. Maybe it's because I did it like that. Sushi. From. Yeah, something with that naming they don't like. Just put sushi. And it's that dash. Sushi image. So now we got that. Sushi img. Okay, I already named it sushi. Oh, it's because I put logo. Slash fire roll. Cool. So now we got that going on. But I don't want to fill the whole thing. So that's weird. Image. Get this ID. Card img. Go back to here. Fix my card image. Card img. And the width. I'm gonna put auto. How's that look? What was the width? 375 pixels. Right. Would be half of that. What happens if I put like 50%? Okay. That kind of squishes the image up though. That's okay. What happens if we take the width down to 350? That's what I would need to do. So this needs to be 300, which is fine. Maybe it's fine. I don't know how my image is gonna look like that. I think I need this to be wider. So let's just put 375. 375. Keep it at that. It just makes the image look weird. And border radius is gonna be the same, but not on the bottom. 0, 0, 0. Okay, this needs to be 28 pixels over here. There we go. Maybe this whole card could be smaller. Probably, no, I don't want it smaller. This is fine. No, it definitely needs to be smaller. It's too big. So we'll put this to 300. And this would be 300 as well. The card is a lot smaller, and the height on here will be 25%. Okay, 45% is cool, whatever. And this border radius is too much. I don't like how it's exaggerated. Okay, cool. Looks better to me. And now, also this color, I want this to be a little more wider. That contrast isn't gonna be good though. What if I just use gray? Nope, don't like it. You know what, maybe I'll just use the same color as this. I'll do that for now. Okay. Let's do margin, do padding. PX. In the margin top, margin top, maybe 25 PX. Go there. Well, actually, let's do No, actually, let's not do that. The card. Maybe the card that has the margin. We'll do 25 px. So that is there. I want more margin. It still looks funny. Maybe I should make this smaller still. Yeah, the width of the card. Let's go 250 or 275. I like that better. 275 is better. And also the bottom of here, I don't want that to be like that. So it's 18, 18, and 0. Or maybe you just do 18 and 0 px and see if that way. Did what I need to. Nope. So need 0 px. Yeah, that's what I need. Nope, that didn't work either. 0 px. I still see this on the corner right there. So I need this to be 18 as well. I'm assuming. Yep, took care of that. This is fine. That is fine. And okay, so we got that part. Now let me see. It's because this is on a gray background and this is white. I'll do a color later. So we got sushi name. We'll do that one. So the sushi name. That right here. And we will just put sushi name. Well, this is a dining. Fire roll. Right now, like I said, all this is going to be hard coded in, and later I'll pull in data using state. Okay, that's probably why I did what I did. Image does not need to be flex. Image does not need to be, like everything can literally be stacked on here. So this does not need to be flexed at all. There we go. Okay, once I took flex off, why did that change that though? With what is display? It's like block, inline block, I think. That's weird. Okay, let's go back to flex. And then, but with flex, we'll just change the direction. So you can do flex direction and you can make columns. And that's still, I think I know why, because it's image. That's why image never changed. 275. We can still keep this flex. Now I got fire roll. Okay, with this fire roll, I want that down more, of course. But I'll just go ahead and do the ingredients next. Maybe another div. I think I can just copy what I have in here. The stuff that makes up the roll. Or actually, let me just do this. Alright. And this would need to say, oh, this needs to be a P tag. I don't know why it's not. P tag. This also needs to be in the P tag. And I want to say ingredients and ingredients. What the heck? spelling. Thank you. Ingredients. I want ingredients. King crab, blah blah blah. So that's that. Ingredients. That's cool. And this also, I could put this real quick in a span. Just fix it the way I need to go. Span. Just do this real quick. Style. Text weight, font weight. Font weight. And give it bold. Cool. So that is that. That's that. Then what else do we have? The stars, HR. Okay, I have to import these stars. And later I can go with the padding and stuff. Like I can probably do that now, maybe. Let's see, so ID my card. So in my card there needs to be no, that won't work. I think padding would work though. Padding 50. Yes. Give it some padding. For right now, I'll probably change that to margin. Just because that image, I like the image full. I think that's what I want to do. Keep that image like that. I'll just give it padding. Padding looks cool. Then that image, card image does not need a border radius, I don't believe. We can do it like that. Maybe a soft one. Just make it an 8. In that case, you do all around 8px. 8px, and if it's all around, you might as well just put 8px. There we go. So that's cool like that. Viral ingredients. Oh, let's see. One part was like just a HR. And okay. Let me see. Let's try something else. So HR. Let's do this as a line. And then here we got line. Is that ID or class? I think it was ID. Line. And in line we're going to do, what is it called? Text decoration maybe? Nope, we want to do border. Of course, border. 8px pixels solid. What does that give me? Yep, that's what I need. I think it's called border underline actually. Yeah, border bottom. But does it matter? Is it border bottom? 1px, 2px. It's not even the color I want though. This, make it lighter like that, even more lighter. There we go. A little bit darker. I'll come in and fix the colors and stuff later. I need to make that shorter. And is there a border style? Oh wait, yeah, style, border width. There we go. And we'll just do 2 pixels, 20 pixels. Okay, that's definitely what I didn't want. Let's see if there's a length, border bottom, length, How do you get the length? Is this just giving me how wide it is? Border. There's thin, medium, thick. There's width. So there isn't any length. That is weird. How can I make it shorter? Oh, I just put width. Duh. With 4px. That should work. Yeah. Of course, silly me. Let's try 800 pixels. Of course, that is way too long. 3, 2. Yeah, 2 is what we want. And text align, center. Did not work. Let's do margins. Margin 0 and auto. There we go. Oh, actually, you could do something like auto too. It gives up some more space. And so that's looking kind of similar, not the same, but similar. Only because I changed the colors, and I'll fix the colors later, but we just want to get the main idea down. Fire rolls. I can make this bold right now, I guess. Fire roll. Style. Font weight. For that matter, I can do size right here. There we go. Fire roll, ingredients. Margin, bottom. Okay. This font is different too. Font family. Which one do I want? It's sans. Okay, that works for now. And of course, we can just center that. We'll keep it like that. I kind of like it like that. I kind of like the other way. Then again, it's kind of, well, I like it that way. Let's just keep it there for now and do the part that I've been avoiding, these stars. That's because I have to go find them. What is it called? Icon something? Let's go icon 8s and see if we can do star. Let's go with this one, I guess. Material design. It's probably an easier way to do this, but material outlined, and I want a star. Okay, let's go with this one. And I will, what I want to do. There's another way to do this, but I forgot which other site I used. PNG, what else you can do this link? I wonder if you use the link, could you change colors and stuff? Huh. How How would I change this color? Outline. See, there was another site that I used. Icons. I think it was font. It was Font Awesome. That's what I used. Star. Star there. Yeah, this is the one I like. So regular. Then you're able to fill it and give it color. Yeah, this is the one. So I go to React. I really forgot how to even put this in. Let me see. So I copy. It's copied already. If I put that there, it's not gonna do anything. It breaks. Not defined. I have to put like a link in the beginning. Should be logged in, right? Yes, it looks like I'm logged in. Free, blah, blah, blah. Manage kits. Here we go. So I use this script right here. And that goes here. It's already there. Oh no, it's fine. Something else. It's favicon. That's there. Now I got some error. It's not defined. Is that the same error? Yeah, it was the same error. So now when I'm using this, how does that work? Blah, 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 browse 1,000 icon, you like it, then add the icon name and style. Style. Okay. I feel like that should have worked. That's in the head. Font Awesome is not defined. Maybe gotta import Font Awesome maybe? Import font awesome. God. How do I do this? I did this before, but I just forgot how I did it. Is it like this? I don't think that's it. Well, that didn't give me any errors, so I got something there. Huh. I guess that did work like that. Okay. So then I should be able to go back to the star then. It's the rating. Let's see what comes up with rating. I'm gonna use a star. Let's use HTML. We copy this. We don't want that. What is it? It was this one here. Don't need that. And I'll put this in a whole nother div. And do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And some of these are filled. Oops. That one's 1, 2, 3, and give it 4 stars. And see what this looks like. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're getting somewhere. They only wanted 4 stars though. And let's see. How do you size these things? If I needed them larger, could I just size them in regular CSS? So that's the class name. Let's see. Let's try. Class name. Dot. Whatever this is. And see if we can change the width to say 50 pixels. That did not work. Height to 50 pixels. Color to yellow. Yeah, none of that works. That's the class name. So we'll go back to here and figure out like how do you adjust it. The user, so say you want to go to sizing right here. Relative sizing. Oh, so you can use this FAX. This is like what do you call that? It's a CSS framework. I forgot what it's called. What is that CSS framework called? Tailwind, that's the one. I feel like this is like Tailwind. That actually made it smaller. Okay, because it's extra small. How about that? If we do extra large, that's gonna make it huge probably. Oh, no, just the right size. Okay, if you got that, then like how do you change colors? Right. Can you change colors? Just put red. No, too easy, huh? FA red. I had to Google it. Font awesome icon color. Okay, so style display color. Is that it right there? Any valid, set the inverted color. No, I just want regular color, border color. Why is it? Is that background color right there? Maybe that's it. Okay, layer counter, FA counter. So what if we try just that FA? What is this counter thing? Let's just do FA background color red. Okay, why does this work? Customize the icons. Customize the CSS properties. Any FA inverse. What does that even mean? FA inverse. Any font style. Font awesome style. Wait. Display value. Did I miss something? I feel like I did this before. Let's see. Let's just try this. So I'm gonna do style here, and then do background color red. That's weird. Let's do not background color, but just color. Okay, we're going to something now. But how would you? Oh, it's not even a fill-in. That's why. Yellow. Okay, we're going back to gold. You can see that a little bit better. Border. 1 pixel. Black. Solid. Okay. This doesn't work the way I expected to, but I got at least that going on. And I'll do that for these two and figure out the rest later. Okay, then I got that, and I would call this ratings. And in my CSS, ratings, take my CSS and let's just center it. Let's see if we can text align center. No, you can't. Review margin, auto. No, can't. What's going on? Sushi car ID rating. Please ID. There we go. Okay, and then these two. This should be a little bit easier now. Need a heart and some type of whatever that is, comment type thing. So would you find something that says favorite? Favorite. Okay, I like this one. Circle heart's cool. It'd be nice if I could set the color before. And this is a pro icon, so I can't even use this for free. I need a free one. Doesn't have to be a circle heart. Okay, this is heart. And copy that one. This will go on the bottom of the top. What am I doing here? Put on the top of here. It needs to be on top of that line. So we div here. That there. And my styles. Just copy that. I don't want gold though. This one's going to be FA2X like this one. There we go. And let's get the rating one. Or comment, I think it was comment. That's cool, yeah, let's do this one. Of course it's pro. Pro. No, this one's free. Which one I want though? Let's try this one, I guess. Solid. I can always change it. Go back to here. And style. And we'll also do extra large. Cool. There needs to be space in between these though. So, I don't know what we can call these. Heart, comment, or review, whatever it is. So I go to, let's copy this. And use ID. And this is going to be flex, of course. Oh, display, flex. And I want the flex. Let's do a border first so I can see what is even going on. 1px, sea green, solid. See, I need a height and a width. 500 px makes that huge. Yeah, I don't think this matters as much. So we're not gonna do that actually. Actually, it's gonna need the width though. To, let's see, 100 pixels. And then the margins, 0 and auto. We'll do some padding. 20px. That's not how I wanted it. Let's see, heart and comment. I feel like these need to be two separate divs. But in one container, so it's one container with two separate divs. Then it's heart comment. Flex, display, flex. Go. And then you can do justify. That's into space evenly, maybe. Yep. That is cool. Let me get the width a little bigger. Yep. Get rid of this. That color's a little loud for me. I don't like how those are. Maybe they don't need to be solid. So if it's not solid, then what is it? Regular. And if it's regular, we would do 1 extra large, not 2. Okay, maybe it does need to be 1x, maybe 2x. I just think the borders are too thick. Let's increase the width, I guess. I really don't like this. Why? I don't like this either. I don't know. I'm gonna change something because I don't like this. The spacing is crazy right now too. So for ratings, margin, auto. For top, let's just say 20 pixels. Padding, 1 pixel. And, oh, that's rating at the bottom. I don't want rating, I want this one. Padding, 1 pixel. And margin is not 0. That's probably why that was going like that. So 10 pixels. 20 pixels. Okay, that's fine. 20 pixels. But that also means that rating needs more room. Okay, I think that it's good for now. I mean, you got the basics going on, and I can also always go back and start editing the changing CSS, but this is the basic card, and as you can see, it's a card, and I can, my app, I could just keep putting these. Of course it goes like that, but no. Let's see. I'll put this in a div. Put all of these in here like that. And then change the style. And I'm going to change the style to display, flex. And it's like that, but it's another thing. I can't remember what it was. It's this, is it like an overflow or a display flex, not a cross. What is that called? Not flex direction. Not a line. What is that called? It's not that stretch. What is that called? Display flex, and I want it to be overflow, overlap, no. I cannot remember the property. Oh, I think it's this, like grow or shrink or something like that. So it'd be flex. I cannot think of the name of that property. I don't think that does anything. Hey, cause that's just gonna keep putting it over there. I could think of the name of the property. I'll figure it out. Let me pause this. I'm actually gonna figure it out now. Okay, I found it. It's called flex wrap. That's what I was looking for. Now I just gotta figure out. Oh, maybe I can just put right here wrap. No, that didn't work. Or maybe it's just called wrap. Oh, it's called flex wrap. But I don't know the property of it. Wrap. Okay, that's that. And let's see if we add more. Will it wrap? Yeah. Wrap's pretty weird, but it wraps. Okay. Let's see if we can do one more thing. Justify content. And as I justify content, I want to evenly spaced. Space evenly. If I'm spaced evenly, that means, why does that do that? Let's do the margins. Margin. And margin is going to be auto. Pixels. Maybe that's what I needed. And if you have even more, what does it do? What about if we have less? Just a random amount. It always goes there. That's what I don't want. I think I know why. Because this over here, my CSS, when I first started it, container that's not it. My card, margin. Where's that at? Is this it? Oh, it's right there, I believe. This one. That's not it either. Padding. Okay, whatever. I'll fix this another time. Flex direction column. Yeah, I'll fix it another time. I can get these cards up better though, because I don't want that touching like that. So I need to look at Sushi. You know what this is? I don't need that. A card. So my whole card, I want a margin on my card. Which I don't over here. A whole card. I feel like if I have that there, I don't need this here. So if I go back to my card, flex wrap, that didn't work. Probably do need that there. At least flex wrap. And justify content. Yeah, that's not working like that either. So that needs content center. Content. Okay, I messed something up. Oh, because I didn't have display flex. Yeah, these things need margins. So my card, it's not margins on here. Margin. Pixels. So call this 50 pixels there, and auto there maybe. I don't even like that auto there. So 50 pixels there too. 10 pixels. I still don't understand why this is going there. Border, 5 pixels, sea green, solid. Let's do padding 1 pixel. I don't understand why that goes to the center there. I would think it'd go here. Whatever. I am done with this for right now. And I will figure out more another time. This needs to be contained in some type of container, and I can just organize that container. So here, this needs a width. 500 pixels. That's weird too. Auto. Definitely needs a width. What is it, max? It's only a minute width. With a max. Let's see, margin. 0 and 0 in auto. So the max width will be okay. That's what I wanted there. Whatever. One more thing, margin. We'll put that to 50 px there. Cool. Maybe just a little bit up, 175. Okay, that should be fine. And then we got something like this going on. These will be dynamically rendered later, but right now just hard coded. Change this up, CSS. This will be changed up because I don't like the way this looks, but this just gets the basic idea down. Maybe I put all that on one line actually. I think it looked better probably on one line. Or maybe put that at the bottom or this at the top or something. I'm gonna change this up. The colors and everything. And that's all I have for right now.